गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन, वेलकम टू स्टेट फास्ट। छोड़िए ताहती है राह रही है, इंग्लिश को सीखिए इंग्लिश टू इंग्लिश, ना कि हिंदी टू इंग्लिश। एंड आई एम अर्पित and today we all are gathered here for group discussion, and our group discussion topic is technology. So we are living in 21st century and technology is very essential in our lifestyle. Technology is updating just because of science. Because of technology we have improved in many things such as medical, in our daily lifestyle and everything. For example, we were using fans before technology, but now we are using ACs, which are became very essential in our lifestyle. And for another example, before technology we were using normal bicycles, but now we were using bike, car, just because of good technology. Thank you.
My name is Vivek Namdev and today I am giving opinion on technology. That technology had made our life easier, better than ancient time. That before we can't imagine our life before of technology, and the technology have made it easier for the fightings and attacks on the when Pulwama attack is here on the India. It helps to recognize to see our enemies where they are, only because of technology. Now human are starting doing work on for drone fighter planes. This is also the part of a technology. So technology are very important for us.
Hello everyone, my name is Ekansh Bijore. So today I put some points on technology. In ancient time we do not have many things. We have to cook food by ourselves. In today's food apps come, so we don't have to cook food and it saves our time. So we just have to pick our phone and order our food.
My name is Laksh Sharma. Today my GD topic is technology. Technology is using for improving ourselves. Like you also use our mobiles and laptops and PCs. So you also use a technology and use for searching anything like Chrome, YouTube, Google, etc. to you use by internet and technology. So this is my opinion. Thank you.
So my name is Akhilesh Yadav, and my point is technology. Technology is very most important nowadays in everyone's life, because if haven't technology now, so people can't live life good better. Means now I am speaking and you listen very carefully and speak clear, so it is used for mic, so it is part of a technology. And like you watch video, so it is a part of technology. So technology is very most important nowadays, and according to me this very benefit and advantage and disadvantage. Like advantage, if you want to talk your brother and they live other country, so you contact very easily use of mobile phone, so it is part of technology. And disadvantage means nowadays many people are waste our time in social media and do play many games, so it is disadvantage according to me. Thank you.
So good morning, good evening everyone. So my name is Korika. So today I give opinion on technology. So technology is very useful for us, and nowadays everyone uses technology, and fan, AC, cooler, lights are a part of a technology, and phones, laptop is uses by internet and technology. and in the old time there is no technology, so no somebody used technology and their life was very hard. But now technologies come, so our life is become very easy. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. As Gaurika has mentioned about that the hardness of life, like as you know that technology has made our life easier. As we know about that, we are at today. We all have mobile phones. We all have wristwatches. We all have a roof on us, above us, and terrace and roof, and the floor below us. What is the reason behind that? We have made our life easier in a far better way. People used to live in a caves, but today they are making a buildings floor on floor. Before that they were living in a hut, but now they have changed their life to make themselves in an easier way as they can do. Like today we all have wristwatches in their hands, we all have phones in their pocket. So what is the reason behind that? It is a technology to connect to people, to get information, and to live as simple and as easier as possible. So it is the reason behind that the technology has made our life easier. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Jyoti, and as we all are put our point of view regarding to technology, so my point is that technology is everywhere, and like due to technology use of the technology we can globally connect to each other. Now if we want to talk to like a foreigner, so we can connect to kind of, there is so many application we can download, we can use it. And if we want to learn so many things like related to study, so there is, we can find the application and the study material, so we can also get the material from the there is so many website and application. So it is also part of the technology. So and technology by day it is growing, and we are also every day we can find that thing, upgrade and updating all that thing. So like if talk about the mobile, so that time we used keyboard. If talk about the old time, so we used telephone and keypad mobile, but now we are using smartphone. So that is the part of the upgrade and updating this thing. So technology every day, we can day by day is upgrading and updating. So it is a very good part of the human, like we are using that smart thing, and we are also use technology, and without that thing we cannot survive, because nowadays we are very habitual to use of technology, and it is like very good advantage because we are growing very fastly. But there is also disadvantage also, because some people they use and they waste your time use of the technology, and some issues also happens every day due to technology. So I would be suggest that it is a good thing, we must be use the technology very nicely, and we must make our career very good. So thank you so much to everyone.